I love the turkey for its lean properties. It's delicious. It does not offend anybody because it can take on all kinds of great flavors. We're going to think turkey today, and it's all about supporting Canadian turkey farmers. Turkey is not just a Thanksgiving or a Christmas bird brought to the table like Norman Rockwell. You've got to get over that. There's so many ways that you can present turkey in such innovative and creative ways. I'm going to go way back into old Italy, and I'm going to take a classic dish called veal tonnato and turn it into our own very Canadian turkey tonnato. What is a tonnato? It is a tuna dressing that's anchovy, garlic, egg, and we're kind of going to make a thick mayonnaise with that, but with olive oil. So I'm going to start with a beautiful big turkey breast. These are beautiful. I mean, you can see that this would serve a lovely family. The one nice thing about this dish, when you roast this, the leftovers are absolutely delicious. I'm going to tie it up, and I'm going to just make it easy because if I'm not a butcher, so we're tucking it in and we're tying it up. Use a good cotton kitchen twine. I've seen people use all kinds of different things like fishing wire and things like that. Probably not a good idea. Kitchen twine is really good, and you want the thicker one so that you can see it to cut it off. And then I'm going to just rub it with some olive oil, some salt and pepper. We're going to pop this into an oven, and the internal temperature for breasts, thighs, whole turkey, everything is a classic standard 165 Fahrenheit. So to make a classic tonnato, we need 2 egg yolks. We need garlic, anchovy, how classically Italian is that? Lemon juice. I'm using a good quality Italian tinned tuna. I'm going to puree that mixture. And then with the machine running, I am slowly going to drizzle in this olive oil through the feed tube. No need to add any salt to it because anchovies are salty, and so will the capers add salt. So you have got this delightfully beautiful, thick mayonnaise. And here we have our beautifully roasted turkey. So this dish is classically served room temperature. I love the turkey for its lean properties. It's delicious. It does not offend anybody because it can take on all kinds of great flavors. Make sure you get all your strings off. We are going to slice it nice and thin, and because the turkey breast is so big, you get these great pieces of turkey with lots and lots of flavor. So that temperature, you can see as I get to the middle, that is perfectly cooked. It's not dry, it's not overdone. Got a nice big platter. I think I'm going to flood the platter with the sauce because I just think it will enhance all the bits. Every Italian out there is going, I forgot about that old recipe. That is fantastic. And then carefully, we will take our beautiful turkey breast in the same way that we sliced it, right down the middle with that nice browned part at the top. All the way like so. Without capers, it's not really a tonnato. I don't like to put the capers in the sauce. I like to sprinkle them on top. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Caren twist to this. And what I have here are called sweetie drops. And they're tiny, wee little peppers that are sweet. And you always want that little bit of mystery in your cooking. And these give that. They're available pretty much everywhere at good gourmet stores, especially the Gourmet Warehouse. And then lastly, we want to give a little bit of a parsley sprinkle. Make it a mess because it's kind of a rain. We want to rain the parsley down. We have some vegetables roasting in the oven. Beautiful colored carrots. and some silver skin onions, but this just adds a little bit of side color to the dish, and these can be served cold. Okay, so here we have turkey prepared Italian style with a classic Tonnato sauce, a little bit of veg on the side, but this dish is the star, giving Canadian turkey farmers the deserved accolades that they all need.